Good morning, student. Yesterday we have done the fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Today, with the help of fundamental theorem of arithmetic, we will find the HCF and LCM of two numbers. Let's take exercise 1.2, question number 2, first part. In this part, first part, we have given two numbers, 26 and 91. We have to find the HCF of 26 and 91. Then we have to verify that the LCM multiply HCF equal to the product of two numbers. We have to verify this also. First of all, to find the LCM of 26 and 91, first we will find the prime factorization of 26. The prime factorization of 26 is 2 13s are 13 1s are. So the prime factorization of 26 is 2 into 13, and the prime factorization of 91 is 91 7 13s are 91 13 1s are. So the prime factorization of 91 is 7 into 13. Now first we will find the HCF. HCF, you all know that the highest common factor. To find the HCF, we will take the common number between two numbers with least power. We have two numbers here common, that is 13, and here the least power of 13 is 1 in both the terms. So the HCF is 13. Now for the LCM, we know we have to find common number having greater power and the remaining number. We have to find the common number first from these two terms. The common number is 13 and the greatest power is in the both the term we have power 1. So 13 remains as it is, and the common number having greater power and the remaining number, are 2 and 7. So 2 into 7. So the LCM of these two number is 182. When we multiply these three terms, we will get 182. Right? Now we have to verify. We have to verify LCM multiply HCF equal to product of two number. Right? Here LCM is 182 and HCF is 13, and two numbers are, we have two numbers 26 and 91. We will multiply these number. When we multiply 182 by 13, we get 2366, and we multiply 26 by 91, we also get 2366. So LCM into HCF equal to product of two number. We have verified this also. Now we will take second part of this question, that is $510 and 92. Second part, 510 and 92. We have to find the HCF and LCM of these two numbers. For this, we will take the prime factorization of 510. We will get 2 into 3 into 5 into 17, and 92 we will get the prime factor of 92, we will get 2 raised to the power 2 into 23. Right? Now we have to find the HCF. HCF, we know the common number having smallest power. The common number we have here 2. So and here 2 is common and the smallest power is 2 is 1. So the HCF is 2. And for LCM, the common number having greater power. The common number here is 2, then the greater power of 2 is 2. So the 2 raised to the power 2 into, and the remaining number also. LCM means in LCM we will take the common number having greater power and the remaining number are 3 into 5 into 17 into 23. When we multiply these number, we get 23460. This is the LCM, and you have checked your answer by the formula HCF multiply LCM equal to product of two number. You can do the other part of this question. Thank you.